Hi everyone, welcome to BlockSnack, your daily crypto wrap-up for Tuesday, April 14th, 2026. We break down Bitcoin, Ethereum, and blockchain news, fast, clear, and without the hype. I'm Jack, and I'll walk you through what matters today. If that sounds useful, hit subscribe and follow the channel.
BlockSnack.
In this video, we'll explore the recent crypto market rally, Goldman Sachs' new ETF filing, Ethereum security initiative, the shift in market dynamics, regulatory updates, blockchain in New Zealand casinos, and top crypto picks for 2026. And just as always, a quick disclaimer. This content is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research. Now with that out of the way, let's jump right in. As of April 14th, 2026, the total cryptocurrency market capitalization has surged past $2.6 trillion. This represents a remarkable increase from $2.53 trillion the previous day, reaching $2.607 trillion by early Tuesday morning. This surge marks a gain of over 3% in just a day. Leading the charge is Bitcoin, which hit a session high of $74,959, briefly pushing its market cap above $1.5 trillion. Since April 7, Bitcoin has gained over 8%, showcasing its continued dominance in the market. Ethereum is not far behind, posting strong gains of nearly 9% in just 24 hours. It rose from $2,183 to $2,381, marking its highest price since February 1st, and lifting its market cap to $287 billion. Altcoins like Rave have also seen dramatic surges, with a 240% increase on April 13th, hitting a record $14.18 before settling at $12.31. Still up 31% in 24 hours, and boasting a staggering 4,500% weekly gain. The rally has also resulted in significant liquidations, with $540 million in leveraged short positions wiped out in 24 hours. Moving on to institutional adoption, Goldman Sachs has made headlines by filing to launch a Bitcoin Premium Income ETF. This move marks a significant entry into crypto-linked investment products that combine Bitcoin exposure with an options-based income strategy. The ETF is designed to hold spot Bitcoin exposure while selling call options on that position to generate premium income. This approach provides investors with a steady yield stream, appealing to those interested in regulated, exchange-traded access to Bitcoin, but wary of its volatility. Goldman Sachs, which already holds over $1 billion in spot Bitcoin ETFs from issuers like BlackRock and Fidelity, is shifting towards manufacturing proprietary, yield-focused Bitcoin products. Approval of this ETF could intensify competition in Bitcoin income strategies and further integrate Bitcoin into mainstream portfolio tools. Now for Ethereum's latest move to enhance security. The Ethereum Foundation has launched a $1 million audit subsidy program aimed at helping developers offset the high costs of smart contract security audits. This initiative is part of the broader trillion-dollar security effort to strengthen Ethereum security as it scales to support complex applications and large on-chain value. The program partners with major firms like Nethermind and Chainlink Labs, connecting builders with over 20 top-tier audit providers. It introduces the CROPS principles: censorship resistance, open source, privacy, and security, to guide application development across the Ethereum ecosystem. Builders can apply for subsidies, which are awarded after an expert committee review and applied directly to audit services via Areta's platform. Notably, the program is open to all Ethereum mainnet projects, regardless of size or stage. Next, we delve into the changing dynamics of the crypto market. According to Mike Novogratz, CEO of Galaxy, the era of outsized speculative gains in crypto is ending. Institutional players are now seeking steadier returns, marking a shift from the high return expectations of retail investors. This shift is a sign of the market's maturation. Novogratz highlighted the 2022 FTX collapse, which eroded trust and led to Bitcoin's drop from $69,000 to $15,700 as a turning point. The focus is now expected to shift towards tokenized real-world assets, offering steadier returns and leveraging crypto infrastructure for global financial services. Chainlink co-founder Sergey Nazarov predicts that tokenized real-world assets will surpass cryptocurrencies in total value and redefine the industry. Moving on to regulatory developments. The US SEC has issued guidance allowing certain DeFi front-ends, wallet apps, and aggregators to operate without registering as securities brokers under specific conditions. This conditional, no-enforcement stance applies for 5 years to covered user interface providers that act as neutral tools. Providers must meet criteria such as ranking transaction options based on objective criteria and maintaining transparency in fees and relationships. This guidance is non-binding, but signals the SEC's regulatory approach pending more comprehensive rules. The upcoming Reg Crypto proposal aims to provide exemptions for early-stage crypto startups and coordinate oversight between the SEC and CFTC.
Now, let's explore how blockchain is reshaping online casinos in New Zealand.
The country is experiencing growing cryptocurrency adoption alongside expanding online casino platforms. Blockchain technology is bridging these sectors by streamlining casino payments, removing intermediaries, and enabling near-instant settlement with lower fees. Provably Fair Gaming uses cryptographic hash functions to allow players to verify game outcomes independently, enhancing trust and transparency. Smart contracts automate payouts, reducing disputes and administrative overhead. New Zealand plans to license only 15 online casino operators with a 32% tax rate starting July 2026, although regulatory clarity on crypto use remains limited.
Finally, crypto experts have highlighted 12 promising cryptocurrencies to buy in 2026. These picks include a mix of established and emerging assets, reflecting diverse use cases and market roles. The top picks are Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Cardano, Avalanche, Litecoin, Tron, Stellar, Bitcoin Cash, Chainlink, and Aping. These assets represent a balance between stability, infrastructure, payment solutions, scalability, and speculative opportunities. Bitcoin is seen as digital gold. Ethereum powers smart contracts, while newer entries like Aping focus on social engagement and viral growth. That's it for today. Subscribe for daily crypto news, drop a like if this helped, and share it to support the channel. See you tomorrow for your next BlockSnack.